Hey guys, Happy New Year 2019 with our AutoCraze HQ. In 2018 we're giving you content and videos of all major builds. We've had armoured videos, we've had the Terminator videos, and we've had much more other videos. Today we're going to be introducing this HILUX Rugged X. Now you're already looking at it going, this car's already got all the builds on it. It's got a bull bar, side step, snorkel and flares. We're going to be upping it up a notch. We're going to be giving you the AutoCraze 2-inch lift, a brand new set of XD wheels I'm going to talk to you guys about inside, BFG KO2s and a slow tailgate release. Stay tuned guys and check this HILUX out.
It's mean, doesn't it?
Look good, eh? Like that?
Simon, that's how you do a HILUX, bro.
Thanks, mate. Good job,
mate.
mate. Good job, mate. Good job.
All done.
That looks sweet, man.
See how the white writing sets it off?
Yeah, sweet as. Very good. Schmick as.
XD 140s, man. 18 wrapped to the BFG KO2s. AutoCraze lift. We got the red springs, so that's a red recovery points. We've also got the slow tailgate release also done. Help him out because Mrs. the other day tried opening the rear tailgate, almost smashed the head. Even got his beautiful daughter over here. Just show you how it works. It's easy.
Oh, look at that, eh? Beautiful. Great job.
Never need to worry about it. What do you reckon?
Very good job, mate.
Happy with that?
Oh, thanks to Mo and the crew from AutoCraze. Great job. Great service. I highly recommend it. Thanks, mate. Thanks for your job.
Pleasure. Thank you very much. Happy New Year, and guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch it. Like. Bye.